Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Kingston KC3000 PCI Express 4 NVMe M.2 solid state drive. High performance storage for desktop, laptops, PCs and external case. Full capacity is available from 512GB to 4TB. This is 2TB with speeds up to 7000 MB per second read and write. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product. It is another part for my new PC build. So there it is, compact small M.2 2280 form factor. I like it. Low profile graphene aluminum heat spreader, the connection to the M.2 slot, and here goes the screw is holding the NVMe at the motherboard. I will show you, of course, I will install it. So until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos for my new PC build are coming, and with the final video, the PC build. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.